Child-free marriage equals happy marriage? Why DINK phenomenon is on the rise? The term was coined sometime in the 1980s. DINK stands for Dual Income No Kids. It refers to a lifestyle choice where a couple earns a dual income but does not wish to have children. A small segment of Indian society, mostly upper class and educated, are consciously opting out of the traditional social structure. Reasons for this could be changes in gender roles, privatization, neoliberalization of the economy, and the impact of the internet that has economically empowered women. This may also have benefited men who find themselves unburdened from the traditional role of earning a livelihood and supporting dependents. Choosing a DINK lifestyle can bring numerous emotional benefits to couples. It helps couples spend quality time with each other, focus on personal growth, offer freedom to make decisions without constantly worrying about the impact on someone else, and be free from the pressure of accommodating a child's needs. DINK lifestyle can have its own set of cons, which include the absence of parenthood, lack of sense of responsibility towards family and relations, loneliness in old age, and lack of family bonding. If one wishes to have a child-free marriage, the same should be communicated to the partner with complete honesty. Couples should discuss their desires, fears, and expectations transparently. Understanding each other's perspectives can foster empathy and respect. It is essential to note that while DINK may offer multiple benefits, it can hurt women's reproductive health. Women who choose not to give birth might experience certain health issues such as irregular menstrual cycles, which further lead to hormonal imbalance and a higher risk of developing cervical and breast cancer, over time affecting the fertility rate by reducing the chances of getting pregnant in the future. What initially started as a Western trend is gradually set to become a way of life in India too. In urban areas of India, the DINK phenomenon is becoming more common among young professionals, though comprehensive national statistics are limited. In India, DINK lifestyle is expected to coexist with our traditional social structure. Social, cultural, and economic factors are likely to increase its popularity, so it may not remain just a trend. As urbanization, economic pressures, changing family dynamics, and cultural shifts continue, DINK is likely to become a common and accepted way of life.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.